start talking about the font styles, or rather about typography, which traditionally splits up into serif and sans serif, also known as strokes and lines. Given the fact this is a pretty theoretical lesson, I'd like to show you, in addition to the differences between the two types of font styles, the type of application which, in my opinion, may be the best fit for the serif type and for the sans serif type. When we talk about serif, we refer to those stretching strokes which are normally orthogonal, placed at the very end of the characters, which help make the font style more elegant. In the case of the slide you are viewing right now, the font used is called Merriweather, which is a serif font offered by Google Font. In addition to this font style, there are, for example, Roboto, Slab, Laura, Bitter, and many more. You can easily find them just by going to the fonts.google.com page. Instead, when we talk about the sans serif fonts, also said sticks, as I said at the beginning of the video, we can explain them as linear characters, visibly appearing in contrast with the other components of the pages. They are considered across the websites to be the most readable and most modern fonts nowadays, and they too are available within Google Font. In this slide, we are using the Open Sans font, which is very popular online, in addition to Roboto or Railway, for example. Regarding the use of these types of fonts, we can say that the serif fonts with embellishing strokes are usually employed, for example, in online newspapers or magazines, given the fact they look like the classical old-style newspapers and magazines. Therefore, let's assume you have to create a blog. This might be the right fonts for you. Of course, in case the task to accomplish for a website were referred to a luxurious good or to an elegant product, this type of font is always recommended. For all the other needs, then, there's the sans serif, the so-called sticks. These fonts were conceived for an impact use, that is, a use enabling a website to stand out. For this reason, these are used above all for commercial activities. There isn't a clear-cut distinction for assigning the best type of font to the right website. It's good, though, to have some references like those I've just provided you with that might give you some prompts in selecting the one or the other font type. No need to say there are also some more specific font styles, more or less suitable to a page. You must be very careful with spacing, alignment, and dimension of the text, as we will see in the next lessons.